Laser cutting machine connection. First, this is connected to the laser head. This is connected to the laser generator. Location to be connected. The outlet connects to the inlet. The inlet is connected to the outlet. At this position of the machine, the inlet of high temperature connects to the red. The outlet is connected to the blue inlet. One side is the oxygen pipe, and the other is nitrogen and air pipe. If you put the laser generator inside, water pipes can be passed through here. If you put laser inside,